Good morning, Ryan Smith, Remax Properties, Smith REO team. Today we're going to do a walk through 3S505 Park Avenue in Glen, Ellen. Property is a mid-1960s style cedar and brick ranch on a large lot. The home is on a higher traffic street. As you can tell, it's about 10 in the morning, so there's not a lot of traffic now, but this street does get quite busy. Vacant preserve across the street from the house. Vacant preserve on the next to the house as well. As you can see, some of the traffic's coming in now. The home is a cedar and brick exterior on well and septic. The home is dated. It lacks any type of updates, any type of renovation in the home. Nothing's been done. Older roof. The cedar exterior, as we walk around the exterior, is warped and rotted in a lot of places. If we do repairs, we're gonna have to, probably refinish and retreat a lot of this exterior wood. Garage door should be replaced as well. We'll walk around to the rear of the house. We're gonna do a landscaping package on this home. It's a very wooded lot. It's a very deep lot. A lot of brush, a lot of shrubbery, which we're gonna need to remove. As you can see back here, the cedar exterior continues in the rear. The sump pump discharge line has a leak in it. We're gonna get a bid to replace this. We're seeing a little pooling here on the exterior. As you can see from the lot, nice deep lot. All this shrubbery we're gonna get a bid to trim down and clean up all over there. But it's a great sized lot. The Mortimer Arboretum is right on the other side of that street in the foreground. And this is the rear of the house. You can see the cedar warping and needs to be finished. This is an exterior deck area off of here. Also warped wood, uneven. You can see the exterior of the home. Older windows. The house will not pass FHA financing in the current condition. Conventional will likely be an issue as well. The home had taken on some water at some point in its life, and we're going to address that when we walk through the basement. Let's go on inside. Before we go in, you can see this warping on the wood. It's never been taken care of. Older windows here with peeling paint. Let's go on inside, take a look. It's a very standard ranch, 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, full basement, smaller kitchen. Exterior door should be replaced as well. Keys are there. Lockbox combo, 3701. Hardwood floors throughout the home which need to be refinished. Older light fixtures, mirrors. As we walk in the living room, you see all the spotting here on the hardwood floors. They need to be refinished. There's a little bit of warping on them. Large living room open, living room dining room combo. Drywall damage here from what appears to be a bad roof. Got some mold growing around here as well. So you can see that. We're gonna spin around here. That's the entryway right there where we came in. Kitchen there, bedrooms down that hall to the right. Open living room, dining room. Refinished floors. Paint interior walls. That wall right there, if we were to rehab, I'd open that wall up, open the kitchen up, and create one open floor plan. That's what I'd recommend if we rehab the house. Refinish hardwood floors. As you can tell, it is needed. We're going to go back through the bedrooms, then the kitchen, then the basement. Hallway going back. Bathroom, very dated, blue toilet, blue tub. Blue ceiling. Older tile floors. Some damaging here along the floors, which you can see. Older interior doors as well as a damaged tub. Let's give you a full walk through the bathroom. Bedroom number 1. Average size for these ranches. This one's a little narrow. Again, the floors are a concern. Windows are older. Doors and trim should be replaced as well. Bedroom number 2 and 3 are very similar. Hardwood floors, older windows. You can tell from the seals are cracked. Older light fixtures. The home just lacks any updates. Hardwood floors can be refinished. Same as in bedroom 3. Just do a quick walk through here. Floors, pretty worn. We'll spin back around this way. You see interior walls need some paint there, along there. You just tell the walls are in rough shape as well. We're gonna walk into the kitchen and go down in the basement. The basement took on some water at some point. You see up here, there's some, water spots along the nail spots here. The roof is likely bad on the home. Additionally, here we have significant drywall damage in the ceiling. So you see those cracks there. Kitchen is narrow, dated. If we were rehabbing, I'd knock this wall out. That's what we talked about. Open the kitchen up. Linoleum tile flooring. Older cabinets, older counters. Tell from the counters need to be replaced, as do the cabinets. They're the older 1950 style metal cabinets. You see the counters are in rough shape. Then we'll spin back to get a good view of the kitchen. But it's in rough shape. As we go downstairs to the basement. Basement appears to have had water at some point in its life. All the drywall has been removed, as you can see. Flooring appears to be an asbestos type of tile. There's a wet bar down here, but you can tell all the drywall has been removed from the home, from the basement, which is significant signs of water damage at some point. Some spotting here, some mold on the ceiling tiles, as you can see. And then if you notice here, this is all signs of water damage. Furnace was underwater at some time up to about that point there. The furnace is likely inoperable. Rusted out vents, more signs of water damage. Spotting on here is likely discoloration. Discoloration in the ceiling. The home's in rough shape. You can tell where the water was on the washer and dryer at some time. Sump pump ejector. Mold in the ceilings here. Mold in the ceilings there. Older rusted out hot water heater. Older rusted out furnace. This is more mold up here as well. All the ceiling tiles have mold on them. This was a walkthrough. I hope this gave you a better in-depth view of the asset. It's likely going to be as is sale. Thank you for your time. Ryan Smith, Smith REO team. Have a great day.